Hello friends, welcome on this video tutorial. Daniel is here from Tips to Fix, and today I'm going to show you how to remove this warning message from your channel dashboard on your YouTube studio, okay? If you have this active community guideline strike warning message, you by mistake delete the video and you see this content unavailable, and then you didn't see this action enable on your channel. Now you have a great opportunity to take and make a deal with this message. So what I'm going to do, I see this button here, take action. I will click this to take action. There may be an issue with your content. Something you post may violate YouTube community guideline. So let's get a training. This content is not available on my YouTube because I deleted before, maybe 2 years before, but there was no chance to remove this message. So let's see now. Okay, let's click here, begin review, and let's see what's next. Take a look at your content, keep policies in mind, and here is the policy. Okay, we read the policy and then we click next here. What do you want to do? Take a policy training. Your warning will expire in 90 days to keep our community safe. In my case, I don't want to click this appeal because I don't have the content. I will take training. Let's see. Harmful or dangerous digital security. It's because the Wi-Fi password that I forget it to make it blurry. So, okay, question 1. Monali posts a video complain about the restriction on YouTube content. She said she found a website where you can review all age restricted content on YouTube without being logged in, and shows people how to access the website. Yes, it is. That's right. It makes sense, okay? I'm doing policy training now, guys. WBN is a local news station. They write a story about the danger. Yes, I think yes. Yes, it is. Let's check. Not quite. Okay, it's not dangerous. Click next. A gaming channel uploads an information video about how logins for a popular video game get stolen. Yes, it is dangerous. Yes. Now, question 4. Olga uploads a tutorial about a website that lets you bypass a login and access a popular movie. Yes, it is valuation. I know, that's correct. We don't allow instruction on how to gain authorized access. Yes, it makes sense. Yes, it's valuation. Question 6. It is violation. Yes, that's correct. The last question. And then I finish the training. It takes me 15 minutes, okay? I think it is. Not quiet. Okay, check. Not quiet. Okay, this is not a violation. I thought this is a violation, but let's click here, check now. Yes, that's right. Now click next. Nice work. You have completed the training. Now, what's next? Your warning will expire in December 27. Wow, what a gift. I like this. If you evaluate the harmful or dangerous policy again before this warning expires, you will get a strike. Before, okay? If you want a different policy, you will get another warning with the opportunity to take another training. Okay, guys, I will close this training. Training complete on 28 December. Your warning will expire. I'm waiting now, guys, for this warning to my channel will be disappear, okay? This is how you can submit a training or take a policy training. Even if your content is unavailable, training is complete. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share this content with your friends and subscribe Tips to Fix for more videos like this. God bless you. See you on the next video tutorial.